If you're new in Inkscape, sometimes simple things can be frustrating. Here I'm going to draw a circle just over here at the bottom. And now I want to get an imported image. So what I'm going to do is go File, Open, and I'm going to open up my unicorn image. The problem is it opens up in a completely separate window. So the question is, how do I get my unicorn into my other image? So you don't want to do File, Open. I'm going to close out this window. And what you want to do instead is go File, Import. And when you do that, you'll get to open the same image. But instead, you're going to be presented with a box that looks like this, SVG Input. Now you've got a lot of different options here. What I'd recommend is just to start off using the first one. It says include the SVG image as an editable object. I'll click OK. And now it pops up right in the exact same document. I'll hold down the Control key. I'll edit this, shrink them down, and I can put them right on top. And now I've got a great looking t-shirt file that I could use for print on demand or digital download. Hope you found that helpful. Very quick walkthrough. I love using Inkscape, and here's another video on how you can harness the powers of Inkscape to make some really cool graphic designs.